episode. So this time around we're working on this Nissan Serena. It's a fresh import, came in November. We've got quite a few plans in the pipeline for this in the future, not everything right now. First of all, we're going to do headlight restoration and the underbody rust proofing, because obviously it is an import, it's absolutely immaculate underneath. But also the front end, there's quite a lot loose on the front end, so we're going to take a look at that because nothing sits properly. I've had a brief look and I think it's just missing bolts. So we're going to tidy all that up, get all that fixed, and then we'll be out the door. Obviously don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or comments or anything, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks again. Right, so now the vehicle's up on our tables, we've got full 100% access underneath. Obviously we don't do the wheel arches unless the customer wants us to, and then that is ultra extra on most vehicles. But yeah, so now the vehicle's up on our tables, we're going to get underneath, we're going to give it a good inspection. Any surface rust or anything, we're going to nip it back, put some zinc primer over that. All of the tubes and everything is all going to be filled with cavity wax. Then once we've done that, if there's any surface contamination or rust, surface rust, then we'll go over that with our rust converter and then leave that for a couple of hours. Once we've done that, we'll clean it all off and then we're straight on with our underbody. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to video because I can't get that camera underneath here. I've tried on my phone in the past, it's really not great. So yeah, I'll see what I can do. Right, so we're underneath the Nissan Serena now, and as you can see, she is mint. There's not a mark, not a speck of rust, no previous repairs, no nothing under here. I am very impressed. I know this isn't our usual YouTube quality video, but it's all I can get under here at the moment until I come up with another plan. So what we're going to do, all of these holes here, we're going to fill these up with cavity wax. So all of this will be treated inside, same here as well. Same with all of these, this will all be treated inside as well as outside, so even though we're protecting this, moisture won't be able to go in and rust from the inside out. But yeah, she's meant. Anyway, sorry for the bad footage, this is on my phone, but this is how she looks. Let's get on with the treatment. Right, so in this case we've done the front subframe as well. Obviously, as you can see, all the sides are done. All the tubing and everything, so all of these holes have all their cavity wax sprayed into them. So they're sealed on the inside and the outside, same here, all this has been done, even the tiny little holes have been done. Obviously keeping any moving components clear. See, we've got a real nice thick layer on there. Right, so now all the underbody's done and the vehicle's back on the floor. We're going to do the headlight restoration and we're going to have a look at this front end because it's very loose. But yeah, so the underbody's all done. I'll put, well, you would have already seen it. Sorry about the bad quality if it's not great with the video footage, but it's the best I can do with my phone. I am looking at other options, so if anybody has any ideas on little cameras or something indestructible, but not very expensive, let me know and I'll take a look at it. Cheers. Right, so we got there eventually. I was filming it, well I thought I was filming it, but I forgot to press the record button, so I'm not taking it all back off again. So we took the bumper off, as you can see it's now on there solid. We was missing 4 clips underneath, there were 3 in the inner arch. There was 2 screws, there was missing 2 bolts in the middle here and 2 bolts on the sides here. This is still a little bit loose. I can feel the clip's just not quite grabbing, so I'm not really sure how to remedy that. But yeah, there must be, I think it must just be worn all the time. You can push it in, get it to hold, but then it just pops back out again. So I'm going to have another look at that. I can't leave it like that. So what it is these clips just here. It's like, I need more, well they're actually cracked, so that's not going to go back in properly, because that's cracked. That one seems okay, the rest of them seem okay. Unfortunately that one there is broken. Adjustment, all good now. It's back on. Let's get some new clips, bigger clips.